our journey into the heart of luxurious design and breathtaking modern rustic aesthetics. Today, we're unveiling a small farmhouse that blends contemporary elegance with rustic charm, where every corner tells a story of warmth and sophistication. From its stunning architecture to the thoughtfully curated interiors, this home captures the essence of refined living in a cozy countryside retreat. Let's begin by admiring the architecture, a perfect blend of functionality and timeless style. Imagine aerial views of a compact farmhouse with a pitched roof, reclaimed wood siding, and large glass windows that flood the interiors with light. The stone pathways and lush greenery enhance the charm, creating a harmonious balance between rustic tradition and modern luxury. Ready to explore? Let's step inside. Welcome to a space where comfort meets sophistication. This living room invites you to sink into plush sofas draped with soft throws, basking in the warm glow of a stone fireplace. Large windows frame serene countryside views, while rustic wooden beams add timeless character. The carefully chosen textures, from woven rugs to leather armchairs, create a layered, cozy atmosphere that feels like home. Natural light pours in, illuminating every thoughtfully placed decor piece, from minimalist artwork to fresh greenery. Let's relax in this perfect balance of rustic charm and modern elegance. Step into a kitchen that's as functional as it is beautiful. The farmhouse sink, set against a subway tile backsplash, is complemented by open wooden shelves that showcase rustic dishware. Industrial-style pendant lights hang above a butcher block island, adding a modern twist to this charming space. From the carefully placed herb pots by the window to the vintage-inspired fixtures, every element of this kitchen radiates warmth and creativity. The natural wood tones and sleek black hardware create a harmonious contrast that feels effortlessly stylish. It's a kitchen designed not just for cooking, but for creating memories. This bedroom is a sanctuary of peace and style, blending rustic warmth with modern simplicity. A wooden canopy bed stands as the focal point, adorned with soft linens and cozy throws that invite relaxation. Subtle lighting from black metal sconces casts a warm glow over the room, enhancing the intimate ambiance. The reclaimed wood accent wall adds a touch of rugged charm, while large windows bring in natural light and a view of the serene outdoors. Thoughtfully placed decor, like a potted plant or a woven rug, completes this tranquil retreat. Let's settle into this perfect space for rest and rejuvenation. Prepare to indulge in a bathroom that's both rustic and refined. The centerpiece is a sleek vessel sink resting on a reclaimed wood vanity, accompanied by a round black-framed mirror. Subway tiles and black steel fixtures add a contemporary edge, while a clawfoot bathtub exudes vintage charm. Soft lighting and subtle greenery create a spa-like atmosphere where relaxation is guaranteed. Every detail, from the textured floor tiles to the wall sconces, has been curated to provide a perfect blend of luxury and comfort. This isn't just a bathroom, it's an oasis of calm. This dining area is where rustic charm and modern elegance meet to create the perfect setting for unforgettable meals. A live-edge wooden table sits at the center, surrounded by mismatched chairs that add character and warmth. Overhead, industrial-style pendant lights cast a soft glow, while a floral centerpiece adds a pop of color. The white shiplap walls and neutral tones allow the textures and natural materials to shine. Nearby windows invite natural light to flood the space, enhancing its cozy yet sophisticated vibe. Let's take a seat and savor the beauty of this inviting dining room. Step outside and immerse yourself in a picturesque outdoor retreat that feels like an extension of the cozy interiors. Adirondack chairs circle a glowing fire pit, perfect for stargazing on cool nights. A rustic pergola with trailing vines creates a shaded haven for outdoor dining, while lush greenery frames the entire space. String lights hang overhead, casting a magical glow as the sun sets. The soft sounds of a bubbling fountain and rustling leaves complete the tranquil atmosphere. Let's breathe in the serenity of this rustic outdoor escape, where nature and comfort go hand in hand.